Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee. Look at all the action on my swarm caught yesterday. It's early in the morning, I'm just on my way into work, and I wanted to give the rest of the frames into this box. My goodness, they are buzzing. Don't know how much filming I can do, but we'll give it a try here. Didn't bring a smoker, of course, thinking there'd be nothing going on here. Okay. Let's see if we can do this under not the best conditions. It's overcast and kind of a little windy. Oh yeah, you can hear there's a ton of them on the lid. Ooh, it's a lot of bees. But they're already building comb on the lid. Look for the queen on here. Here. How's that for a little swarm that you caught? Okay, so we've got drawn out comb here that we're going to put in, and some frames. I'm going to just checkerboard some of the drawn out comb with some undrawn frames here, just because that's all I got, so that's all they get. See if we can figure out a way to pry this over. That should do it. Okay, easy enough. Last one. At the front here. These frames are hitting something at the front, not letting it go down. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's a pine cone. Goodness sakes. That's not going to be fun to remove. Okay. See the pine cone down there? How the heck did a pine cone get down there? Oh, up on the branch. The branch? The branch right above the tree. They're hard.
Any more?
Hit it again, huh? Harder. That's a lot of bees.
Bye bees, buzz.
Okay.
You got it? You got them in the bucket?
Not a lot in the bucket. The question is, if we have the queen, then these bees will go right into this hive.
They're still at the bottom, it looks like.
Yeah. Okay.
They're swarming around her at the bottom.
Let's do this then. Get up, sweetie.
Okay.
All right, that makes sense now. The rest of the string is in. They're very calm. They're very well behaved considering everything they've been through. All right, that's it. Let's get these bees settled down. I hope we don't squish me. Look at all these guys. Gotta push them. I'm gonna basically dump them at the front of the hive. Again. Gotta be it, guys. That is a big colony. A healthy colony, as it looks. So they are in now. And look at the activity out front here. That's a lot of bees. They probably don't need a hive reducer. I'm just gonna, an entrance reducer. I'm gonna leave it on, at least for today, just so that they orient themselves. I went to the spot where they swarmed, which is right over there in that tree, and there are still bees trying to find that spot. And then where we had the hive was right down in there, the hive body box. It was only there for a couple of hours, but there are still bees trying to find the hive there. So hopefully they'll find these guys, and we've saved one colony of bees at 40 honeybees.